Hey everybody, welcome back to Mix. My name is Sam and today I'm going to show you a before school quick hairstyle on Lillian. Hey girls, you ready to get your hair done today?
No.
No, yes and no? Maybe so?
Maybe. No.
See you in our video.
Yeah. See you.
Okay, so this is one of those hairstyles you can do quickly before school and get out the door on time. I just parted Lillian's hair diagonally from one temple to the back of her head on the other side. And it's not the straightest part, but it's gonna have to do. And then as always, I wet her hair. Her hair is not actually detangled right now, but I'm gonna do my best and just smooth it out, adding some water and a little bit of the Big Papa defining gel, and then brush it out and fasten that in a ponytail using my favorite hair ties that do not snag her hair. And next I'm going to do the same thing to that back section of hair. Of course, this is something you could do with a side part. You could do this with a straight middle part and make kind of like two pigtails. I always tend to go to a diagonal part on the days that I'm rushing because it's easier to do and not have to worry about how straight or neat the part is. Now, depending on how you want your child to wear their hair, you could just leave these ponytails as is. I always add water to add moisture anytime I'm styling their hair, but today my plan is to put these ponytails into two buns. So I'm detangling them. Like I said, her hair was not already detangled, and then I'm just twisting them as I normally do, and then wrapping that section around and securing it with an additional hair tie, making sure not to tie it too tightly because I never want too much tension on her scalp. And then I'm going to do the same thing to that second ponytail. So I was in Target recently and I saw these super cute butterfly clips, and it brought back all the memories from when I was younger. We used to rock the butterfly clips when I was in middle school and they were so cute. So I decided to put some on these buns to kind of jazz them up and then just smooth out her edges briefly, and she is ready to go to school. And Lillian was feeling herself this day. So here's our final product. Tell me what you guys think. I think all in all it took less than 10 minutes and she was out the door. You couldn't tell her nothing. Anyways, thanks for watching. Please don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you again soon.